Topic: cell properties and functions. 1. Nutrition. This is a process by which living organisms feed in order to provide energy and also growth. 2. Cellular respiration. This is the breaking down of food substances in the cell to produce energy. There are two types of cellular respiration, which are 1. Aerobic respiration. This is the breakdown of food substances in the presence of free oxygen to release a large amount of energy. This is simply done by glucose in the presence of oxygen to yield water and carbon dioxide. 2. Anaerobic respiration. This is the breaking down of food substances in the absence of oxygen to release little energy, and at the same time, alcohol and carbon dioxide are formed. The production of alcohol and carbon dioxide from sugar solution in the presence of yeast is also known as fermentation. 3. Excretion. This is the removal of metabolic waste products from the cell wall of organisms. 4. Growth. This is defined as the permanent or irreversible increase in size and length attended by the increase in weight resulting from an increase in the number of cells of an organism. Aspects of growth include irreversible increase in dry mass and irreversible increase in the number of cells. Basis for growth: 1. Cell division. 2. Cell enlargement. And 3. Cell differentiation. 5. Irritability. This is defined as the ability of the cells to defect and respond to external stimuli. Types of response: 1. Taxis, a directional movement of motile organisms in response to stimulus. 2. Tropism, a directional movement of some parts of organisms in response to stimulus. The response may be to light, that is phototropism, gravity, that is geotropism, and water, that is hydrotropism. This is common amongst plants. 6. Movement. We have seen the behavior of organisms usually involves some kind of movement. Examples are tropism, nastism, and taxism. Some plants show cytoplasmic streaming called cyclosis. We may therefore refer to that movement as a property of protoplasm. The movement of organisms from one place to another is called locomotion. Types of movement: 1. Locomotion. This is generally found in one-celled organisms, and majority of animals exhibit this. Multicellular plants do not show locomotion but tropic movement. 2. Cyclosis. This is the cytoplasmic streaming in some cells which can cause movement. Example, amoeba, via the aid of pseudopodia. 3. Cilia. Some unicellular organisms have short hair-like projection or organelles called cilia, singular cilium, in their surfaces. These organisms are called ciliated organisms, e.g. paramecium. 4. Flagellates. In flagellates such as Chlamydomonas and Iglena, flagellum is their organ for movement. Reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which living individuals or offspring of the same species or kind are produced from one or two parent organisms. Forms of reproduction. 1. Asexual reproduction. This is the production of new individual from one parent of the same species. It requires one individual and does not require the union of gametes. Forms of asexual reproduction. 1. Binary fission. This is the division of the parent organism to produce daughter cells. Example, amoeba, paramecium, and bacteria. 2. Budding. In budding, a portion forms the outgrowth which detach to form a new independent individual. Examples are hydra and yeast. 3. Spore formation. Spores are small unicellular bodies which are produced in large numbers. They are small, light, easily dispersed in air. Examples are algae, fungi, and germs. 4. Fragmentation. This involves breaking up into pieces of the parent organism which develop into new organisms. Examples are coelenterates and sponges. 5. Vegetative propagation. This is the production of young plants from the vegetative parts of a plant. Examples are roots, stems, and leaves. Sexual reproduction. This is the production of new individuals by the union of the same cells of gametes from different parents. There are two types of sexual reproduction, which are 1. Conjugation. This is a primitive type of reproduction which involves the union of similar gametes. 1. Conjugation. This is a primitive type of reproduction which involves the union of similar gametes. Examples are Spirogyra, rhizopods, and bacteria. 2. Fusion of gametes. This is the union of male and female gametes. It is an advanced type of reproduction found in higher plants and animals. That will bring us to the end of cell properties and function.